Okay. This is going to be the accommodation for the workers for now in the interim. Okay, this is okay. There's a fan, basically, window for a table, right? Somewhere to charge the food. Okay, that's all right. Why would they bath? Why would they cook? Okay, okay. Oh, this is better than pool. So, and then okay, and water will flow, abi?
Yeah. That's the water. Someone has used this position.
Okay. Water is flowing. Oh, since you flush the water. The water will flow, abi?
Yeah, this is even the shower is water.
Okay, that's all right. Okay, see that. Okay, one more again. So, all of them can come over. Okay, when time bed comes, okay, we got
So
this.
these are the so
This one, okay.
yeah. They're even wide enough.
You can say manage this for now. They're not too good enough because weather is cold now, you know, all this cold floor and cold. That means you have to come with.
There's light now, look at there's even light. So
I have to come for shop and put on the lightness. Okay, this will serve as kitchen for now. Okay, that's all right. Good.
it's 1.5 kb.
So they get you a cotton and a small gen that you can use so that job can go on fast. I think, well, this one is enough, Abina.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is okay for you for now. Okay? Then okay, they get small gas and 2 pots.
2 pots. Okay, they want to buy down.
Oh, but no, you're always there, Shagia.
Okay, they want to boil water.
All right.
They want to make tea.
Okay. Okay.
We'll be using here.
Yeah, of course, yeah, you're right.